15 before I get a new knife. I literally never fucking get anything good out of cases, like, ever. So I'm just gonna get a blue, probably.
What the fuck? What? What? What?
Hours and not doing positive in retakes because he had 400 hours on his account and his main account had like 3,000 hours.
Yeah.
Fuck up, faggot.
I know,
Fat
it's also the
footy nerd,
cheaters
cunt.
who do the most shit talking. I got a knife! I got a knife! I got a. Oh my god, Ruby! Holy shit! Oh my.
No, say wallah, say wallah, say wallah.
What did you get? What did you get,
Say
bro?
wallah, bro,
What
say
did you
wallah.
get? What did you get?
Say wallah.
Please do something good. Don't be a shit knife. Don't be a $50 knife.
No, he said.
I got it on stream! Oh my god! Oh! Ruby! 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 Butterfly Doppler! Ruby! Butterfly!
Butterfly Ruby!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my... I'm clipping up.
Oh my god, what was it? What was it? What was it? What was it? What was it?
Hold on, hold on.
What was it? What was it? What was it? Holy fuck! Holy shit! What is it? Bro, look at it. Look at it right now. Oh my god! No fucking way! No fucking way!
Gaben, who art in Valve, hallowed be thy games. Thy Steam sales come, our money be gone. Good games and no pre-orders. Give us this day episode 3.
Still here.
Give us when we pre-order, as we forgive the console peasants.
Oh, he's on me.
Lead us not into scams, but deliver us from origin. Gaben.
Get ready! It is going to explode!
I'm getting scammed, dude. Like, I have to get a knife here. If I don't get a knife here, I'm fucked. I'm fucked, dude. I've totally, like, I need a knife sometime in the... There it is! 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 There it is!
Oh my god!
Are you kidding me? There it is! There it is!
That's such a good knife, dude.
Go!
There it is!
There's
There it
no
is!
way.
There it is! The fuck!
That's impossible, dude.
Knife! I got a new knife! What?
Did you actually?
A skeleton knife slaughter!
Nice.
Oh my god!
Jesus.
What, our cases you can't?
Oh my god! Yes! Yes,
This
boys.
is why I do not open cases.
Yes, boys! It's factory new!
Fucking hell. What?
Wait, did you get
Yes,
knives in the new cases?
What?
Sam,
What?
do you get knives out of the new cases?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's so...
Oh, I want the blood sport. Blood sport. Knäv yourself. I am never unboxed. No. And I never unboxed anything good, like honestly. What the fuck? Are you serious? No, what? Oh, no! What? What? Guys! No! Oh my god!
Guns out. Oh! Oh! Stat Trek! Stat Trek!
Stat Trek! Oh my god! Oh, I actually had to dab for the knife! What the fuck, chat? Factory new!
Zweite Mal schon 7-1 verpasst. Dankeschön, das Tar. Zeig mal.
Ja! Nochmal nachbestellt und Chance raus! Ja! Ja!
Viel testet! Forever Baron, Alter. Woo! Viel testet. Preischeck.
Fan, Kroma 3, den är lite rolig. Nej, One True Hill, fan det var länge sedan.
Kniv! Kram i doppler! Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go! Woohoo! Alltså det är en 3000 kronors kniv. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo!
Det här jävla spelet alltså.
Och den är factory new. Den är factory.
Sieltä vai? Mana idea. No, voy bien.
Sí! No!
Perdón.
Pará, es un montón, amigos.
Un carámide.
What the fuck?
No.
Quando vas avattu 3? No morahan se olisi. Oh! Mitä vittua? Mitä vittua? Mitä vittua? Haloo? Tää on mikä träffää. Vi öppnar med knät.
Det var inget knä. One free bomb.
Hoppe min fucking broder. Vad fan hände detta? What the fuck dude?
I think Christmas is over. What the fuck? Yo.
Fucking song as well. Purchase?
This next case is meant to be neat. Give me something good. Oh my god, dude! Dude, what the fuck? Dude, what the fuck is that? Oh my god! Dude, what the fuck is that?
Alright. Happy day!
It's now, I think, Click Loot. No, yes. Oh, yes, I've used Skin Silo. Never heard about it. We got a knife. Oh.
Oh, Benalur! Okay! Dude, y'all send me that? Thanks, bro.
Okay. You just go to Watch Games TV on clickloot.com. Thank you. I'm kidding. No, but guys, for real. I'll take it, man. It's real.
What's up in this guy?
Why are you buying stuff?
Who said I'm buying stuff?
You get that in a trade.
Fogger, here we go. Knife incoming. Y'all, you sweat is a bitch.
Oh my god, guys.